Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are diving into the latest trends in home office design that will elevate your workspace. Whether you are working from home or just want a stylish and functional space, we have got you covered. In this video, we will talk about uh, the office from home. How can we make over home office? Tips and the secrets I will tell you about home office. So please like this video and also subscribe our channel. First up, let's talk about biophilic design. Bring the outdoors in with biophilic design. Incorporate plants, natural materials, and ample natural light to create a calming and productive environment. It not only looks great but also enhances your well being and concentration. Tech integration. Stay ahead in the tech game by integrating smart devices into your office. Consider wireless charging stations, smart lighting, and ergonomic accessories that enhance your workflow. A tech savvy setup can make a huge difference in your productivity. The fourth tips and secret is minimalist aesthetics. Simplify your workspace with a minimalist approach. Clean lines, neutral colors, and clutter-free surfaces create a serene atmosphere. Minimalism is not just a design choice; it's a lifestyle that promotes focus and reduce distractions. Personalized touch. Make your home office uniquely yours by adding personal touch. Display artwork, family photos, or items that inspire you. This not only adds character but also create a space where you feel motivated and connected to your work. Inspiring home office. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and trends. Until next time, happy designing. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any question or want to share your home office design tips, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.